Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have rendered the menu links data in database and add this action button. But now in this tutorial, we are going to make edit feature operational so that when we will click on edit, here a drop down will appear, here text field appear and here text field appear to update location, name and URL. Let's go to the code and see here is the edit button. Now we need to find this listener. Okay, so when this listener get hit, all the structure is already get changed, so we need to restructure that. Once we need to save the menu location value. Okay, we need to save that value. For that we will traverse it again like this. We will copy this here, right click and inspect, go to the console, and once we will start again traversing. Sorry, dot parent dot parent dot parent. It's not giving us anything. Okay, find from here. So this is it. Okay, now dot parent, and here it is. We have group. Now we need its parent. We have a TD. Now we need its parent and its children. Now we need to get this one, okay, this value, the first TD value. So dot eq1 dot text, or even that you can see in the previous structure we are getting its value. Okay, we are getting its value. After that value we are getting text. Okay, whatever the text we are getting that and inputting that text. This is the title, this is the URL, and putting that into the title and URL. And then after we are inputting the menu location, select or drop down here. Okay, so it will make it editable, and right after that we are going to populate this menu with these values. Okay, we also need to put this value within the select box, which is rendering in the top. So this is rendering the data. Okay, so we have already the menu location ID which we need to copy. Okay, dot attribute. Okay, we need to once inspect. Here we have span within this. Okay, go to the console, add dot children, and now see what you will got. eq0, which is the span dot attribute dot, here is that. Copy it and go to the click listener, replace this with this one. This is the new structured script. Now same case is with this one. Okay, so we need the second text, which is the title and URL. We will traverse that like this. Okay, we need second dot text and third dot text. Okay, so here we got it. We just need to replace these 3 and it's 2. Put this element here. Now what we need to do, we need to place in this HTML for EQ2 this script, and for EQ3 this script will work fine. And right after that we have EQ1, which will replace by this code. Okay, so right after that, if there is any data available, we will make that empty and then render a new data within that. Now once we are going to refresh the page, and when we will click on edit, all the fields become editable on the front end. And right after that we are able to select drop down here, enter new text in title and URL. See, I click on edit. Okay, it's not worked. Oops, let's check once again. Is this click listener have the right spell, or any spell or mistake is available here? Okay, yes, actually we have the spell mistake. We have to go for this one. Let's refresh once again, and then we will click on it to see how it's become editable on the front end. Let's click here and you can see it's become editable. Here is the text field for post, title, and here we have the drop down. Okay, let's test this by adding values in location menu low. I will open this and add another value in that. Create location, for example, I will say home top bar. Create a location. Now refresh it once again and see that did we get these two values in the drop down or not. So here you can see we are getting two values in the drop down. Okay, so when we will click here and update it, for example 123 or 123, we don't have the right design for saving the record. So in the next tutorial we will make the design for save button and save this editable record in database. I hope this tutorial is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.